And welcome back. Second innings now, there have been cries from stakeholders that enough cricket is not being played in Jamaica. Well, Jamaican-born retired Canadian cricketer Aaron Johnson is looking to help change that. Denise Walters reports.
Aaron Johnson is on a mission to twin cricket and agriculture in Jamaica. He's not only helping to give back to some farmers who were affected by the passage of Hurricane Melissa last year, but also to replant trees with his relief initiative. Johnson, who is also the CEO of Blue 52 Coffee, will be hosting a T20 international competition next week. He's asking fans to come out and support the competition.
You know, they can come out and really watch some good cricket and, as we spoke about the coffee, experience some good quality Jamaican coffee.
12 teams, 4 from overseas, Canada, Guyana, the Cayman Islands and the United States, will take part in the competition. The games will be played across several venues including Sabina Park, Chedwin Park, UWI and the Jamaica University College. The final will be played under lights at Sabina Park.
We started with 16 teams. We wanted to give 500,000 Jamaican dollars. We might need to look at that budget, but it will be a successful tournament and there will be a lot of prizes and giveaways. Top 3 teams will go through to the semi-finals and the best second place, and then we'll have a placement game for 5th and 6th place in this competition.
Brian Barnes of UWI is looking forward to the competition.
There has been a lot of recent competitions that have been played in Jamaica for a good while, so I think this is a good opportunity for our young players to come out and showcase their talent.
The event is endorsed by the Jamaica Cricket Association, JCA.
That our team or our squad is actually in training right now. So it is, just a matter of picking a squad to play against or to play in the tournament. It doesn't say that it is the squad, but at least it brings some form of training in a match situation for the guys.
Meanwhile, Johnson explains Relief Jamaica.
As we talk about Relief Jamaica, I don't think it makes sense for us just to plant trees that are not fruit trees. You know, we have to feed our nation. I remember when I grew up, it was all about, when we leave the house in the morning, it was all about us eating fruits and playing cricket. So I just want to bring that spin to the general public.
Barnes and Michael Atterbury, the Chief Financial Officer at the JCA, also support the Relief Initiative.
Hurricane Melissa has really did us what this year commands. Giving back with agriculture has really played an integral part of sustainability within coffee making and just land.
Over the years, we have lost trees in general, but coffee is so important to our agricultural industry. And replanting of these trees is very, very important. And, we join not only the
Blue 52 T20 international competition will run from March 27 to 29. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.